Hi, welcome to EQD Research Global Insights for Tuesday, February 9th. I'm Russell Rhodes, Head of Research and Consulting here at EQD. Today, we're going to check in on the U.S. markets, take a look at the Nasdaq-100, Russell 2000, S&P 500, those indexes and their volatility indexes as well. So Nasdaq-100 started the day up slightly. Vol Q is up a little bit as well, up 29 cents to 21.50. Year to date, Nasdaq's up 6% versus the S&P 500 up 4%. Now, interesting trade from yesterday with the spot at 13,675. Somebody bought 100 of the Friday, March 5th, 13,900 calls for 194.10. Sold 100 of the Monday, March 8th, 13,900 calls for 208.10. 14-point credit on that trade. That's something I'm going to watch kind of closely. Both the open interests were under 100, so we'll be able to keep an eye on those lines. March 5th is actually the U.S. employment report, so maybe this is some sort of strategic trade around that. Turning to small caps, the Russell 2000 down slightly to start the day. However, it is the big 2021 leader, up almost 15% year to date. Strong outperformance there. However, the implied volatility of the options appeared to be somewhat elevated to me. 23% premium to VIX starting the day. Long term, the average is actually a 26% premium to VIX. So when I put it in context, it's not as much of a big deal as it appears on right off the bat. Russell 2000 trade with Russell 2000 at 2287. Using RVX to come up with a 3-day 1 standard deviation move gets us really close to 2200. And the Friday, February 12th, 2200, 2190 bull put spread, you could actually put that on for $1 credit right now and have a risk of $9. Finally, the S&P 500. S&P 500 is down slightly to start the day. Spot VIX up 66 cents to 2190. Curve is still very steep. February expiration is next week. That future is at 2405 with 1 week to go. March is 2675. Then April to September, they're in a 30-cent range between 28.10 and 28.40. VVIX is at 109, still above that psychologically significant 100 level. Couple of VIX trades, my favorite type of trade, buying puts when you expect the futures to roll down the curve. Yesterday, somebody bought 15,000 of the VIX March 23 puts. They paid $1.35, around $1.35. They did it in a lot of lots. The spot was at 21.65, right at break even on that trade. The March future was at 26.50 when that trade went off. And then this morning, somebody came in and bought 2,500 of the VIX February 21 puts. They paid 17 cents for each of those. Spot was at 22 when that trade went off. Thanks for joining me for EQD Research Global Insights for February 9th. If you like what you heard and found it useful, please hit the like button below and don't forget to subscribe. We do welcome comments and are open to suggestions on how to make this program more useful and informative. Feel free to leave things in the comments below or email me directly at rhodes@eqderivatives.com.